going on YouTube? This is BX718 back at you with another video unboxing, and today I have the Lenovo Ideapad Duet 5 Chromebook. That's right, I got a Chromebook with Chrome OS. Now the reason that I have this is because of the work that I do. I want to consolidate all the work that I do at the various jobs that I do in one local device. And technically it's cloud-based, so it's not really a local save, right? But nonetheless, I decided, hey, let me go and get a Chromebook. Now, in regards to processing power, I was really considering more expensive options that typically had a Pentium processor, or it had a Core M3 or a Core i3, or possibly a Core i5 processor. The only thing that I know that has a Core i7 processor in the realm of Chromebooks is the Pixelbook, right? But that is insanely expensive for Chrome OS. Nonetheless, I seen this at Best Buy. It was on sale for $379.99. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and go through the specs with you guys and then commence with the unboxing. All right. So the processor that comes with this is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7C Gen 2. This has the Chrome OS operating system. It has 8 gigabytes of LDDR4 RAM. It has a 128 gigabytes of eMMC storage. It has 4 1-watt stereo speakers. The battery life can go up to 15 hours. One of the cool things that I like about this that really drew me to it when I saw it in the store is this 13.3-inch Full HD OLED, which is a 1920 by 1080 resolution, 100% DCI P3, 400 nits in touchscreen. Yes, this is a 2-in-1 device, right? When I say 2-in-1, meaning that you can separate the keyboard from the actual device itself, and you can use it as a tablet or attach the keyboard and put it in laptop mode, right? All right. So also, this thing weighs 1.5 pounds, right? It's in the Abyss blue color, and it has 2 USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-C ports. Okay, and it also has Wi-Fi 5 and a Bluetooth 5.1. All right, so those are the specs that you get with this. Doesn't come with any extras besides just the power adapter, the kickstand, and the keyboard cover. All right, but we're gonna check all those out in a second. Now it does have 2 cameras as well. It has a front-facing camera and it has a rear camera as well. So it has an 8 megapixel 1080p Full HD camera, and then the front-facing camera is a 5 megapixel front-facing camera, and it offers 1080p Full HD resolution for streaming and video calling. All right, so that's another interesting thing that it comes with. So that'll be cool. Now, I never personally have purchased a Chromebook myself. I've worked with them in the past, but I've never owned one. This is my first time owning a Chrome OS device, and I'm pretty stoked to kind of check it out and see what it has to offer. All right, so let's go ahead and commence with the unboxing. All right, so we're greeted with this very snazzy, very pop culture-esque, millennial design that we have there. It says Lenovo on the front. It's an all-white box. We have a little Chromebook logo over here. Here is a seal down here. Okay, everything is shrink wrapped in plastic. All right. Now on the back, we have to cover some personal stuff, but let's show you what it says here. So here, if the camera can clear it up, there we go. So here, it gives us a little bit of insight in mesmerizing OLED narrow bezels, quad speakers, dual 2-in-1 ultra portability, and an all-day battery with quick charge. Okay. All right, and over here on the opposite side, well, I got to cover up. Hold on, let me do a better job covering that up. There we go. All right, we get some more details on the actual device itself. The CPU is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7C. RAM is 8 gigabytes. Storage is 128 gigabytes of eMMC storage. The GPU is integrated. Displays a 13.3-inch Full HD touchscreen. Batteries a 4-cell, and the OS is Chrome OS. All right, and then you have your sensitive information underneath where my hand is at, but that gives you what that's there. That's a Qualcomm logo on the bottom and the Chromebook logo on the bottom as well. Over here on the right side, it says Lenovo Chromebook Duet 5. There's nothing here at the bottom. There's nothing here on the left side. And at the top, there's nothing there, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and cut through this plastic. Okay. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna just shrink that. All right. that's it. All right, so let's go first with this peripheral box. Let's see what we got in here. We have a charging brick. And we have a USB Type-C cable. Okay. All right, next, let's pull this tab up here. All right, so let's open this box up. See what's in here. All right, so this looks like the keyboard and the kickstand. Let's see if I'm right. Yep. So this is the kickstand that attaches to it. This is where the pen goes. This is the cutout for the camera. Here's the Lenovo badge here. Yeah, okay. All right, let's take a look at the keyboard. It's not bad. Obviously not gonna be the best typing experience given the price. This retails, the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $499.99. But I got it for $120 off for $379.99. So I'm not expecting any miracles at this price point, but yeah, when you flex it at the bottom, it clicks too. Yeah, one thing I heard that people say about this setup is that the mouse pad sticks sometimes and it's kind of flimsy, and kind of agree from touching it. But it's a decent amount of travel. I can see myself typing on it, and I'll go ahead and do that and give you guys an overview after a couple of days. All right. So that's that. And the kickstand over here. Okay, let's pull out the device itself. All right. It does feel very light. Again, I don't know if it's light enough at 1.5 pounds, or maybe a little bit more than that, I'm not sure. But when you add the back cover and the keyboard, it adds to the weight. Okay. All right, so this is it right here. Feels pretty good. Here's that mesmerizing OLED screen. We're going to take a look at the boot up. Here's your front-facing camera at the top. Let's go over to the right. So on the right side, what do we have? We have 2 speakers, 2 of the 4 quad speakers, and a USB Type-C port. And then another side, again, 2 more of the quad speaker setup with another USB Type-C. On the bottom, we have a proprietary connection right there for the keyboard. All right, and the back is feels like plastic, but almost like a premium plastic. It doesn't feel like a cheap plastic at all. But yeah, this is pretty interesting. Here is our 8 megapixel shooter here, and a 5 megapixel shooter at the top, as I showed earlier. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing else that I see. And there's a volume rocker right here. I don't see a power button. Oh, yes it is. Right here, power button at the top. Power, volume rocker, quad speakers, 2 USB Type-Cs, and a proprietary connection here for the keyboard. All right, so let's go ahead and connect everything together. See what that looks like. Okay, so there's connected, and let's connect it to here. There we go. We're gonna pull that out and push it back, and there we go. All right, let's see. All right, I gotta see what that feels like on a desk, but very interesting. Okay, and that's it right there. All right, so we went ahead and just plugged it in, and it came on automatically. Didn't really have to do nothing else. There we go. First boot. The screen looks gorgeous. The screen looks amazing. So yeah, this is what attracted me when I was in the store, because you know most of the other ones, with the exception of Samsung uses QLED
Do you want to activate
displays.
Chromebox, the built-in screen reader for Chrome?
No. The QLED monitors, you have that on the Samsung devices. And this is like the only one I saw there with an OLED screen from Lenovo. The rest of them had regular LED displays. I think the more expensive one had IPS displays, if I'm not mistaken. But nothing had an OLED. So this is really what drove me to it. At first, I was disappointed because I saw it was a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, which I didn't think had the processing capabilities to really keep up with anything that I do on here. However, I looked at some reviews and it's pretty decent. The Gen 2, the 7C Gen 2 is pretty good. So we'll see. I'm gonna play around with it and see how well it holds up. But other than that, man, everything looks pretty good. All right, so that was my unboxing of the Lenovo, what they said, Ideapad Chromebook Duet 5. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're brand new, and share this video everywhere. All right, thank you all for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.